When the London Design Festival approached me with the idea of working with the American Hardwood Export Council about producing some kind of installation or structure for the festival, I was at first delighted and then immediately curious about why and how hardwood could be a sustainable form of construction.
Translating an Escher two-dimensional drawing into a three-dimensional object is obviously a very ambitious project.
Escher's inspiration was something that drove us to make a staircase that was not possible necessarily to understand as a simple linear composition. It was something that was complex, that was interlocking, but perhaps spatially impossible.
It's quite different from a standard building project where you've got maybe a year or two for the project and it can all be sort of planned out. These are very much something where you're jumping in at the deep end, if you like, into a difficult problem which you then have to try and solve as a team.
So as a company, Nussli works a lot with CLT. We work a lot with timber. We do structures all over the world. But it's the first time that we work with tulip wood, and it was very exciting to learn from our production guys that they actually like the tulip wood.
It was a good opportunity to see what the possibilities we could do with tulip wood, and especially in a new application in CLT. Trying to factor in the weather, factor in the structural aspects of the project were really quite challenging, and we were really happy to finally come up with the right solution.
It's the first use of hardwood in CLT, and I think that will really get people thinking about using hardwood CLT in other structures.
It was fascinating for me to work with new partners, with a new material, for a completely new type of stair, and I look forward to see the stair being put up in front of Tate Modern.